Hello, Internet Academy scholars. Mrs. Olson here. It is week 8 in first semester. Last week ended the October NPR period. This week, teachers are collecting all of that work that came in last minute and determining whether you are satisfactory or unsatisfactory. Advisors are looking at all NPR marks and then making a determination on whether you were overall satisfactory or unsatisfactory. And then at the end of the week, sending out your October NPR reports. So when you get that report in your ALE app, go into your ALE app and mark that you read it. Yes. The quote for this week is by Malcolm X, who said, "Education is the passport to the future, for tomorrow belongs to those who prepare for it today." All right, everyone, have a great week. Bye.